You ever wonder how cars move? Now, I bet some of you said engines now. Aren't you guys very smart? But I have a question for you. Does any of you actually know how engines move or make the car move? No? Not so smart, are we now? But in today's episode, I'm going to be telling you how to. After a couple hours of research, I finally figured out that there's way too many engines and there should only be one. But in today's episode, we're going to be using the 4-stroke one. Stroke 1, intake. We first start off with the intake of fuel and air into the valve. Stroke 2, compression. The spring from the other combustion compresses the air and fuel. This is done to have a more powerful combustion. Stroke 3, power. The spark plug sets off an electrical spark causing the fuel and air mixture to expand. A connecting rod transfers this energy to the crankshaft. Stroke 4, exhaust stroke. With the power of combustion and some counterweights, the piston goes back up again, pushing the exhaust out through the valve. That, ladies and gentlemen, is 1 engine revolution. The way that it is measured is by RPM, revolution per minute, and the average car has 600 to 1000 of these revolutions every minute. That was pretty interesting now, wasn't it? But unfortunately, I cannot let you ladies and gentlemen go yet. I have to explain how the air and fuel mixes. The air goes through the air filter and then goes into the intake manifold. The fuel gets pumped by the fuel pump, goes all the way to the engine and gets mixed with the air in the intake manifold. That was a pretty interesting video, don't you think? Definitely worth liking and subscribing to. You don't think so? Well, there you're wrong. Alright, bye.